Hello friends, let's see 12th question from Electric Circuits and Network. The cells are connected in two rows in parallel to pass a current of 6 ampere through an external resistance of 0.7 ohm. If the electromotive force of each cell is 2.1 volts and internal resistance 0.5 ohm, the minimum number of cells will be. So we have to find the minimum number of cells. By the question, let's draw the circuit. Here we have two rows in parallel, two rows of cells in parallel, and the load resistance is 0.7 ohm and 6 ampere current is flowing to that external resistance. Each cell is having a voltage of 2.1 volt and with their internal resistance 0.5 ohm. With these details, I draw this circuit. 2.1 volt battery with the internal resistance 0.5 ohm, and we don't know how many number of cells are in each row, and such two rows are in parallel with external resistance 0.7 ohm and the current is flowing through that. Load resistance is 6 ampere. So I am assuming the number of cells in one row as x. Okay. Now, to solve this question, I am using Thevenin's theorem. First, let's find the Thevenin's resistance across this external resistance. For that, I short circuit all the voltage sources and only resistance are available in this circuit. Now, RTH is here 0.5 ohm resistance or internal resistance. We don't know how many number of such resistance will be there. So, since I took the number of cells as x, we have 0.5 x in first row and 0.5 x ohm in second row. Now finding RTH when resistance are connected in parallel. That is 0.5x into 0.5x, the whole divided by 0.5x plus 0.5x, and we get 0.25x. Now let's find Thevenin's voltage or open circuit voltage by open circuiting at the external resistance point. Removing that point, external resistance, and finding VTH across that terminals. So we know when these cells are connected in parallel, same voltage appears across these two terminals. Since they are connected in parallel, that means 2.1 into x times. We don't know how many cells are there. Therefore, we took it as x number of cells are connected. So, 2.1 into x is the voltage across these two terminals. VTH is 2.1x. Now, let's draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit with these results. VTH is 2.1x, RTH is 0.25x, and the external resistance 0.7 ohm and 6 ampere is flowing. By Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Therefore, V is 2.1x. Now, I is 6 ampere and total resistance is 0.25x plus 0.7. On solving this, we will get x equal to 7. We know we took the cells in one row as 7. That means number of cells in both the rows together we get 2 times of x. That is 2 into 7, 14 cells. Let's see in the options. In options, option C is the right answer. That is 14 number of cells. Therefore, 14 is the number of minimum cells according to this question. Option C is the right answer. Hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet with another question in next video.